Module 5, Lesson 6. Here is a unit form. 1/2. Here it is written in fraction form. 1/2. What does the 2 mean? The 2 is the equal parts that the whole is cut into. What does the 1 mean? The 1 is how many equal parts you have. This circle is one whole. What unit is it partitioned into? Did you say thirds? What is the unit fraction? The unit fraction is 1/3. Our unit fraction is 1 shaded piece out of the 3. I'm going to make a copy of my shaded unit fraction. How many units are shaded now? Good. 2/3 are shaded now. Let's count them. 1, 2. We can write 2/3 in unit form or fraction form. My square is broken up into eighths. The unit fraction is 1/8. I can write this unit fraction in fraction form, 1/8. I'm going to shade 1/8 to show my unit fraction. I'm going to make 5 copies of my unit fraction. Let's count how many I have shaded now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 5/8 written in unit form or 5/8 written in fraction form. You've learned how to make copies of our unit fraction and write our unit fraction and fractions in fraction form.